What if I told you that saving money does not have to be hard? You can achieve financial freedom with just a few smart moves and minimal effort. Stay tuned to discover actionable tips that can help you save more without feeling overwhelmed. Hi, welcome back to Mindful Wealth Education. Today we are diving into the art of saving money efficiently. We all know that saving is important, but many people struggle with it. Well, not anymore. By the end of this video, you will have the tools and insight to save more and faster. Let's get started. Automate your saving, the secret of successful saver. When it comes to saving money without thinking about it, automation is key. Set up automatic transfer from your checking account to your saving account every time you get paid. This way, you are paying yourself first, just like the richest person do. People like Warren Buffett and Tony Robbins preach about paying yourself first, and automation make it effortless. Actionable tip: set up a recurring transfer of at least 10% of your income into saving or investment account. Track your expenses with a budget app. Financial transparency. Many of the wealthiest individuals like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos are known for closely monitor their finance. You can do this too using free app like Mint or YNAB. Tracking your spending highlight area where you can cut back. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about spending consciously. Actionable tip: track your expenses for at least 30 days to identify area where you are overspending. Cut out unnecessary subscription. Your money is leaking. Think about all those monthly subscriptions that add up. Do you really need that gym membership you are not using, or that streaming service you are barely watch? Cutting back on these can save hundreds of dollars annually. Just ask David Bench, author of The Automatic Millionaire, who said that eliminating small recurring expense can lead to big financial result. Actionable tip: review your subscription, cancel the one you don't need, and redirect that money into saving. Use the 24-hour rule, instant gratification control. One of the quickest way to save money is to avoid impulsive buying. The 24-hour rule has been a game changer for many. Simply put, if you want to buy something that's not a necessity, wait 24 hours. Often the urge will pass. Actionable tip: implement the 24-hour rule on non-essential purchase and you will start saving without even realizing it. Buy in bulk and use coupon. Smart shopping equals saving. Smart shoppers save big. If you buy household items, groceries, or even clothing in bulk, you can save a significant amount of money in the long run. Combining that with using coupon and saving during sale to maximize your saving. Actionable tip: plan your shopping in advance and buy in bulk, and always check for discount and coupon. Conclusion: saving money efficiently doesn't require complicated strategy, just small consistent habits. By automatic saving, tracking your spending, eliminate unnecessary subscription, waiting before making big purchase, and being strategic with your shopping, you will see a noticeable improvement in your financial situation. And remember, the richest person did not get there by accident. They got there through smart, intentional choices. Start implementing these tips today and watch your saving grow with minimal effort. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Mindful Wealth Education and ring the bell for more actionable money tips. Let me know in the comment section which tip you are going to try first, or share any money saving strategy that have worked for you. Let's build wealth together.